I am so glad you are here, Dorian. I was so afraid that one tragedy would be followed by another. Did you go to see the poor girl's mother? Poor woman, what a state she must be in.
My dear Basil, how would I know? This is really most inconvenient timing. I am going to the opera with Harry, and I'm already late. Patty is singing, and we are to be in Lady Gwendolyn's box. I understand she's charming.
You are going to the opera. You are going to the opera. While Stephen Payne is lying dead in some sordid lodging, you could talk of Patty singing and women being charming. Before the girl you loved has even the quiet of a grave to sleep in.
Stop, Basil, stop! I won't hear of it. What is done is done. What is past is past.
You call yesterday the past.
It is only shadow people that require years to get rid of an emotion.
Dorian, this is horrible. You speak as if you had no pity in you. This is all Harry's influence. I can see that.
You must not think I have not suffered. If you had come sooner, you would have found me in tears. I suffered immensely. Then it passed away. You come here to console me. That is charming of you. You find me consoled, and you're furious. That is unjust of you. You are surprised to hear me speak so. You do not realize how I've grown. I was a schoolboy when you met me. I am a man now. I have new passions, new interests, new thoughts, new ideas. I am changed, but you must not like me less. You must always be my friend. How happy we were together. Don't leave me, Basil. Please don't quarrel. I am what I am.
I won't speak to you again about this horrible thing. I will go now. Come to see me soon. Goodbye.
Please go to the framers and have them send 2 men. I have a large painting that needs to be moved.